Hi, welcome back. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you common phrases eating in a restaurant. So the first one is, table for two, please. Mesa po para sa dalawa. May I have the menu? Pahingi po ng menu. What dishes do you recommend? Anong putahe ang iyong mairekomenda? Do you have chicken adobo? Meron ba kayong adobong manok? I would like to order. Gusto kong umorder ng. May I have a glass of water? Pwede ba akong makahingi ng isang basong tubig? I'd like to have a bottle of beer. Gusto ko ng isang basong serbesa. May I have a knife? Pwede ba akong humingi ng kutsilyo? I'm vegetarian. Ako ay vegetarian. I'm allergic to. Allergic ako sa. Does the food contain nuts? May mani ba sa pagkain? I like spicy food. Gusto ko ng maanghang na pagkain. A little spicy please. Pakiusap kunting anghang lang. Not spicy please. Pakiusap huwag maanghang. Too tough. Ang kunat. May I try that? Patikim? Give me a spoon please. Pahingi ng kutsara. Give me fork please. Pahingi ng tinidor. Give me salt please. Pahingi ng asin. Give me pepper please. Pahingi ng paminta. Give me napkin please. Pahingi ng pamunas. To go please. Pakibalot. Is it good? Masarap ba? I like this. Gusto ko ito. Too sour. Ang asim. Too bitter. Ang pait. You want to try it? Gusto mong tikman? I don't want it. Ayaw ko. Do you want more? Gusto mo pa? Yes, I want more. Oo, gusto ko pa. No, I had enough. Hindi, ayaw ko na. This taste is awful. Ang sama ng lasa. Which do you like best? Alin ang paborito mo? I'm still hungry. Gutom pa ako. Enjoy your meal. I-enjoy mo ang pagkain. It is very delicious. Sobrang sarap. May I have the bill? Maaari ko bang makuha ang bayarin? Can I pay with credit card? Pwede ba akong magbayad gamit ang credit card? May I have the receipt? Pwede ba akong humingi ng resibo? You're invited. Ikaw ay imbitado. Keep the change. Sa iyo na ang sukli. What do you like to eat? Ano ang gusto mong kainin? I will pay the bill. Ako ang magbabayad ng bill. Could you recommend a nice restaurant near here? Maaari ka bang magrekomenda ng kainan malapit dito? I don't like chocolate. Ayoko ng tsokolate. So that's it for today's video, and I hope you learn a lot, like learning common phrases in Tagalog with English translation. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.